In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an element to your screen using the Wix editor. This is a handy feature that ensures crucial elements remain visible as users scroll through your site, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Let's dive right into the process. First, you need to open your Wix website editor. This is the hub where you manage and design your website, offering a variety of tools and options at your fingertips. If you haven't already logged into your Wix account, go ahead and do that, and then open the editor for the site you want to modify. Next, you need to select the element that you wish to pin. This can be any kind of element, such as text, images, buttons, or even a menu. Essentially, anything that you want to have stay in place as your site visitors navigate your page. When you click on the element, you'll notice a bounding box appear around it, indicating that it's been selected. Once you've selected your desired element, the next step is to right-click on it. This will open a context menu directly on your screen. This menu provides various options for adjusting the element's properties and settings. The right-click action is key here, as it brings up the function we're looking for without having to sift through bigger menus or toolbars. Now, in the context menu that appears, look for the option labeled Pin to Screen and click on it. This action essentially tells the Wix editor that you want this particular element to remain static on the screen, creating a fixed point of reference that won't shift as other elements pass by during scrolling. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining visibility of important elements, like a call to action button or an informative banner. Finally, you'll need to set the position of the pinned element. Once you've pinned the element, an additional menu will allow you to choose exactly where on the screen the element should appear. You can place it on any edge of the window, top, bottom, left, or right, according to your design needs. Adjusting the position is crucial because it determines how your element integrates with the overall layout of your page. Keep in mind, the placement should complement and not obstruct other key areas of your design. And there you have it. Pinning an element on your Wix site is a simple yet powerful way to maintain visibility for key features as visitors scroll. This small tweak can significantly enhance user experience, ensuring that important information or navigation aids are always within sight. Now, you can explore other elements on your site that might benefit from being pinned. Thank you for watching, and feel free to dive into the comments with any questions or feedback. Remember, the power of design is at your fingertips. Happy editing!